Number 1. 1933 Ford Real All-Steel Coupe, $45,000, Seabrook, New Hampshire. This 1933 Ford Real All-Steel Coupe represents a true piece of American hot rod history. Built long before reproduction bodies and kit components became common, this is an authentic steel 33 coupe that retains its original character while delivering the power and presence classic street rod enthusiasts seek. The car features a chopped profile that enhances its aggressive stance, paired with suicide doors that open cleanly and showcase the craftsmanship of the era. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 396 big block engine, giving this coupe a deep, commanding exhaust note and impressive torque for cruising or show events, maintained in good used condition. The mechanical components reflect the care of previous owners who valued both reliability and performance. It remains an enjoyable driver that delivers the authentic feel of an early steel hot rod, not a reproduction. The seller is open to partial trades, especially for a Chevrolet truck or a small to mid-size SUV, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts wanting to step into the steel body hot rod world without sacrificing practicality. This coupe stands as a rare opportunity to own a genuine all-steel 1933 Ford with desirable modifications, strong engine performance, and timeless styling that continues to captivate collectors and drivers alike. Number 2. 1934 Chevrolet Master 3-Window Coupe, $37,500, Broadalbin, New York. This 1934 Chevrolet Master 3-Window Coupe is a well-preserved classic that blends originality with performance-focused upgrades, making it a standout example of an early steel-bodied Chevrolet hot rod. The vehicle features an all-steel body complemented by fiberglass front fenders, maintaining the original proportions while offering increased durability. Power comes from a newly built 327 small-block Chevrolet engine, bored .030 over and equipped with aluminum heads, a roller cam and lifters, headers, and a new 4-core aluminum radiator. Together, these components create a strong, reliable power plant that enhances both drivability and efficiency. A 3-speed automatic transmission provides smooth, easy operation, making this coupe suitable for weekend cruising or local car shows. Inside, the cabin is simple yet functional, retaining a vintage feel while benefiting from mechanically updated components. Listed in good used condition, the vehicle has been well cared for with significant investment in the engine and supporting systems. The seller is firm on the price, $37,500 or best reasonable offer, and clearly states that no trades will be accepted. With its blend of originality, tasteful updates, and dependable performance, this 1934 Chevrolet Master 3-Window Coupe is a strong choice for anyone seeking a stylish, well-sorted pre-war classic that needs no major work. Number 3. 1935 Dodge Brothers Coupe, $19,500, Gardner, Massachusetts. This 1935 Dodge Brothers Coupe is a true steel-bodied classic that captures the bold styling and rugged engineering that defined Dodge during the pre-war era. Offered in good used condition, this coupe features a strong small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing the power and dependability that make it ideal for both cruising and show appearances. A 9-inch rear end complements the drivetrain, delivering durability and smooth operation, while the newly installed tires ensure confident handling. The seller describes the car as fast, loud, and fun to drive, an appealing combination for enthusiasts who appreciate the raw, mechanical feel of early American hot rods. The steel body maintains its authentic character, and the car is currently registered and driven regularly, demonstrating a solid running condition. The seller notes that the title is in hand and additional photos are available upon request, emphasizing transparency and readiness for a straightforward sale. The listing also humorously advises serious buyers to make sure you have permission before responding, adding a touch of personality to the offer. For those seeking an affordable entry into true steel hot rodding with reliable components and pre-war charm, this 1935 Dodge Brothers Coupe presents a compelling opportunity. With its combination of period styling, upgraded powertrain, and real-world usability, it delivers a fun and accessible classic driving experience. Number 4. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe, price, $26,000. Location: Gann, Kentucky. This 1934 Chevrolet Master Sedan Coupe stands out as a rare, true survivor that has not been modified, cut, or transformed into a hot rod. Retaining its full originality, including its factory 6V electrical system, it provides an authentic look into early Chevrolet craftsmanship. With only 1,111 miles shown, it runs, starts, and drives remarkably well. The paint, while not perfect, remains impressive for its age. The interior is also in good shape, maintaining its original character without major deterioration. The seller purchased it as a project but no longer needs it. The price is firm, reflecting the rarity of an unaltered 34 Chevy Coupe. Number 5. 1934 Ford The August 5th Sedan Delivery Price, $37,000. Location: Newark, Ohio. This rare all-steel 1934 Ford the 5th 8 sedan delivery combines timeless Ford styling with reliable modern performance. With 60,000 miles, it remains well cared for and mechanically dependable. Finished in bold orange, the car carries strong street presence and classic proportions. Power comes from a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The Mustang front end improves steering and ride quality, making it suitable for both shows and regular cruising. The sedan delivery body style adds further desirability among collectors. The seller is also open to certain trades, including wrecker or rollback trucks. Number 6. 1934 Dodge Coupe. Price, $49,900. Location: Winchester, Ohio. This all-steel 1934 Dodge Coupe is a premium, well-built classic showcasing quality craftsmanship throughout. Powered by a 350 Chevy crate engine with a turbo automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and smooth driving. Equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes, it delivers modern handling and road safety. The polished stainless fuel tank and mufflers complement the clean, show-quality undercarriage. Inside, custom upholstery, an overhead console with Kenwood stereo, matching trunk panels, door locks, and seat belts create a refined cabin. Billet Specialties wheels with new BFG radials complete its stance. It has passed the NSRA 23-point safety inspection and will appear at the NSRA Nationals in Louisville. Number 7. 1937 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $29,500. Location: Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Coupe presents a clean, well-maintained classic capturing the charm of late 1930s hot rod styling. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for both cruising and daily enjoyment. Power steering ensures smooth maneuvering, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. The vehicle is rated as used good, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. A great entry-level classic for enthusiasts wanting reliability and vintage appeal. Number 8. 1934 Ford Truck. Price, $26,500. Location: Cynthiana, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford truck is a classic old-school hot rod with strong traditional appeal. Finished in vibrant red with a white interior, it has unmistakable vintage character. Power comes from a 49 to 53 8BA flathead engine, paired with a 1939 Ford 3-speed toploader manual transmission for an authentic period-correct feel. A dropped front axle gives it classic hot rod stance, while the 8-inch Ford rear end with 2.79 gears ensures stable cruising. Drum brakes at all corners maintain its traditional mechanical setup. Recent upgrades include new brake pads and shocks. The seller is open to trades but not project vehicles. Number 9. 1934 Ford 3-window custom street rod. Price, $64,500. Located in Hope, Indiana, this custom 1934 Ford 3-window street rod stands as a true high-end build crafted with exceptional attention to detail. Designed for both show-quality presentation and powerful performance, it represents one of the finest examples of a professionally constructed street rod in today's market. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine built by Warrior Racing Engines, featuring dual quad carburetors, a roller cam, aluminum heads, and MSD ignition. The engine produces an impressive 453 horsepower on the dyno, with only 200 miles since the build. The powertrain is paired to a 700R automatic transmission and supported by premium components including a Walker radiator, Heights polished tubular front suspension, Flaming River power rack and pinion steering, polished stainless brake lines, and Wilwood four-wheel disc brakes. Comfort and convenience are equally emphasized. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning that blows ice cold, along with a modern keyless entry system. Inside, the interior was professionally designed and executed by cutters. It features BMW leather, alligator skin inserts, wise guy seating, and German square weave carpeting, all finished with custom stitching to create a refined, show-ready cabin environment. With only 1,783 actual miles, this award-winning Ford has earned multiple honors, including the prestigious Gucci's DuPont Hot Hues Best Use of Color Award. Originally commissioned by a discerning collector, this offering marks the first time the vehicle has ever been made available for public sale. Virtual viewing and shipping coordination are offered for serious buyers. Located in Hope, Indiana, this 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking unmatched craftsmanship, premium components, and top-tier show quality. Number 10. 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe, Chrome, $36,500, Chelmsford, Massachusetts. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe is a standout classic that blends old-school craftsmanship with modern performance upgrades, resulting in a highly capable street machine with show-quality appeal. Driven just over 11,000 miles, it remains in strong running condition, supported by an automatic transmission and a well-balanced mechanical setup, finished in a striking green exterior with a clean black interior. This coupe delivers the right mix of vintage attitude and updated comfort. One of its most notable features is the inclusion of a custom trailer, making it ideal for owners who enjoy attending car shows or long-distance events. The car rides on an independent front suspension paired with a 1965 Corvette rear end, giving it impressive road manners compared to many traditional hot rods. Power comes from a new 383 Blueprint motor with only 600 miles on it, equipped with new dual sniper fuel injection for smooth throttle response and increased efficiency. Additional upgrades include new vintage air with heat, ensuring comfort in varying weather conditions. Originally built in 1978, the car carries decades of history while benefiting from continuous updates. The steel body and glass fenders provide both authenticity and durability. The seller notes that the driving lights do not go with the car overall. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe represents a well-upgraded, well-maintained classic that is fully ready for cruising, showing, and long-term enjoyment. Number 11. 1932 Ford Roadster, $50,000, Hingham, Massachusetts. This 1932 Ford Roadster is a beautifully maintained and well-built example of a Brookville steel body hot rod, offering classic aesthetics paired with strong modern performance. Driven only 8,000 miles, the car presents in very good condition with a clean title and no significant mechanical issues or damage. The exterior is finished in a bold blue that perfectly complements its iconic roadster styling, while the gray interior provides a refined and comfortable driving environment. Power is supplied by a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver full control over its lively and responsive performance. A Ford 9-inch rear end supports the drivetrain with dependable strength, making the car both reliable and enjoyable for long cruises or weekend events. The Roadster also includes a rod-tops roof with zip-in side windows, offering flexibility for open-air driving or enclosed protection as needed. According to the seller, the car runs and drives great but simply isn't being used enough, prompting the sale. Trades may be considered, though boats and motorcycles are specifically excluded. This 1932 Ford Roadster strikes an ideal balance between heritage styling, modern drivability, and steel body authenticity. It is highly appealing to collectors, hot rod enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a classic that's ready to enjoy immediately. Its combination of performance parts and timeless design ensures long-term value and pride of ownership. Number 12. 1933 Plymouth PC Coupe, $24,500, Feeding Hills, Massachusetts. This 1933 Plymouth PC 5-window coupe is a well-preserved example of an older frame-off restoration, maintaining much of its original character while offering the reliability and charm classic car enthusiasts expect from a pre-war coupe. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior with a gray interior, this Plymouth presents a clean and authentic appearance that remains true to its early 30s styling. The restoration focused on preserving the steel body and ensuring that the car remains structurally solid, providing long-term durability and an unmistakably genuine feel. Equipped with a manual transmission, the Plymouth delivers a vintage driving experience that offers a direct mechanical connection to the road. With over 90,000 miles driven, the car has clearly been enjoyed, yet its condition remains very good with no significant damage or mechanical problems reported. Inside, the cabin reflects careful upkeep, featuring comfortable seating and well-preserved gauges that maintain their original charm. The seller notes that inquiries should be made by phone only, ensuring that interested buyers receive an honest and detailed description directly. This coupe presents an excellent opportunity to own a solid, original pre-war Plymouth, especially appealing to collectors seeking something beyond the more common Ford and Chevrolet models of the era. With its blend of authenticity, smooth drivability, clean condition, and well-maintained restoration history, this 1933 Plymouth PC Coupe offers a rewarding classic motoring experience and remains a standout choice for anyone seeking a unique early American coupe with timeless style.